Julie from the lifestyle blog julieblanner.com. Today I'm going to share with you a little bit of our mudroom, which is the first project we did when we purchased our home 4 years ago. We decided that we needed to add a lot of function to this tiny space. We felt really blessed to have a mudroom, however, it just wasn't functional at all. It was really dark. It had a really tiny closet, which blocked a lot of light. The first step we took to renovating our mudroom was to remove the closet. Doing so not only allowed the light to pass through from the window, but it also opened up the walking space, and it's a main traffic area of our home. The next thing we did is we added cedar walls painted in a high gloss. That way they were easy to wipe clean, which is the ultimate goal when you have 3 kids, and at the time, a dog as well. We decided to do interlocking cedar plank walls. It added a lot of character to this home that was previously very builder gray. We painted them in a rich cream to add a lot of warmth. The other element that added a lot of warmth to this space are the brick floors. I knew right away when we purchased this home that I wanted brick. My Aunt Essie had brick floors in the entrance of her farmhouse. It eliminated a lot of the dirt that enters the home. While they're not always clean, always pretty, they are so functional. The area in between the bricks captures all the dirt, which makes it easy just to vacuum clean. Now this may come as a surprise to you, but we rarely, if ever, mop them. And that's another beauty of it. The wear and tear and dirt that embeds just adds to the character. In lieu of a closet, we added hooks to our mudroom. That way, jackets are easily accessible for both ourselves and our children. We have hooks at staggered heights, higher and lower. The higher ones Chris and I use, and the lower ones the children use. We transition our coats and jackets in and out every season using a cedar closet in our basement. That way we only store what we truly need for that season in this space. We also integrated baskets in our mudroom. While Chris and I do not keep our shoes in here, the girls do. That way when they enter the home, they can take their shoes off, again keeping the dirt from coming into the main area of the home. When they are ready to leave, we don't have to look for that one missing shoe. It makes it really easy for the children to partake in keeping things picked up around the house. A few other key elements for our mudroom are the wood bench, which allows the girls to take a seat as they're putting their shoes on and off. Sometimes we'll toss a jacket over there if we're running back into the house to grab something else. And then our antique chest, which I purchased at an estate sale. That stores all of our sunscreen, miscellaneous keys, hats, gloves, and more. You may also notice that I added a little hint of glam. I feel like every room needs a little jewelry, and this room I wanted to take it up a notch by using a crystal and brass knob. We used them on the door to the garage, the powder room door, and the door to our basement as well. Another detail of this mudroom are the shaker doors that we had custom made. I felt like our Tudor home needed a lot of character. It was more of a 70s Tudor than an English style Tudor. So I wanted to integrate traditional Tudor style doors. So we added 2-panel shaker style doors, which really simplified the space while giving it that traditional Tudor feel. And finally, lighting. This space was previously really dim, so using clear glass allowed the light to shine through, and I selected light fixtures that allowed for a decent wattage. You can find all of my product sources, paint colors, and more linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. You can follow along at julieblanner.com and also by subscribing. Here you'll find a lot of effortless recipes, easy entertaining ideas, and of course, home decor that blends function and design.